Hello everyone, and this is Alan Chi. I'm the Managing Director and CEO of Huawei Cloud Saudi Arabia. Today I'm excited to share you some incredible news about Huawei Cloud and to reshape the digital landscape of the kingdom. Lastly, 2023, we proudly announced a significant investment to open a public cloud region in Saudi Arabia to enrich the digital environment for the kingdom. This was not only a financial investment, it was also an investment of commitment to Saudi Arabia Vision 2030 and also digital transformation journey.
Huawei has become part of the digital process in Saudi Arabia. We have helped local carriers connect over 5.5 million people in remote areas. For 17 years, we have kept the networks up and running during the Hajj. In Saudi Arabia, for Saudi Arabia, Huawei will continue contributing to the country's digital journey.
Today, I'm thrilled to announce that after only 6 months, we have made incredible progress. In September 2023, we launched our Huawei Cloud region officially. This marks a crucial step in our commitment to provide top-notch cloud services here in the kingdom, advancing Saudi Arabia's digital agenda. But that's not all. In December 2023, we received the Class C license from CST. This license is a testament to our dedication to the highest standard of service and security. We are dedicated to offer Kingdom with innovative cloud services, such as CDM plus X with ultra latency and security, cloud-native Gauss database, data art solutions for data governance and intelligence, and like code art solutions for modern DevOps services, and also Pangu large model to reshape industry by AI. We are also providing vertical industry best practice for public sectors, smart cities, media entertainment, e-commerce, transportation, and etc. Leveraging with our global experience and partner ecosystem. We are also committed to put extra efforts and attention to provide the best local services, inheriting from Huawei customer-centric spirit in the kingdom for past 24 years. Our goal is to offer the best cloud to the kingdom, to advance intelligence of the kingdom, and we are forged ahead. Huawei Saudi Arabia will remain the trusted partner in your digital journey. I look forward to welcome you all at Huawei booth during LEAP 2024.